Number 7 is Bangkok, Thailand. It's most beautiful. Bangkok, Thailand's capital, is a largest city known for ornate shrines and vibrant street life. Over 14 million people, 22.2%, lived within the surrounding Bangkok metropolitan region at the 2010 census, making Bangkok the nation's primate city. Bangkok is sinking at a rate of more than 1 centimeter a year and could be below sea level by 2030, according to The Guardian, to help prevent flooding, especially during Thailand's summer rainy season. An architecture firm built an 11-acre park that can hold up to 1 million gallons of rainwater called Chulalongkorn University Centenary Park. Number 6 in our list is the Virginia Beach in Virginia City. Actually, I am more of a beach person. Okay, let's go on. Virginia Beach is an independent city located on the southeastern coast of the Commonwealth of Virginia in the United States. Located on the Atlantic Ocean at the mouth of Chesapeake Bay, Virginia Beach is included in the Hampton Roads metropolitan area. Virginia Beach has one of the fastest rates of sea level rising on the East Coast, factoring in both rising water level and sinking land. The National Commonwealth Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration estimates that Virginia Beach could experience nearly 12 feet of sea level rise by 21,000. That's sad. Number 5 is Venice, Italy. Venice is a city in northeastern Italy and the capital of the Veneto region. It is situated on a group of 118 small islands that are separated by canals and are linked by over 400 bridges. The islands are located in the shallow Venetian lagoon, an enclosed bay that lies between the mouths of the Po and the Piave rivers. Venice is sinking at a rate of 0.08 inches every year. Italy began building a flood barrier consisting of 78 gates across its 3 inlets in 2003. It's known as MUSE. The barrier was supposed to be completed in 2011 but will likely not be ready until 2022. When a series of storms hit Venice in 2018, the $6.5 billion project was still incomplete. Number 4 in our list is Dhaka, which is in Bangladesh. And as you all know, Dhaka is the capital and the largest city of Bangladesh. It is the 9th largest and the 6th most densely populated city in the world, with a population of 8.9 million residents within the city limits and a population of over 21 million residents in the greater Dhaka area. Dhaka is the economic, political and cultural center of Bangladesh. Bangladesh produces 0.3% of the emissions that contribute to climate change, but the country is facing some of the biggest consequences of rising sea levels, according to the New York Times. Oceans could flood 70% of Bangladesh land and displace about 18 million of citizens by 2050. Number 3 is Houston in Texas. Houston is the most populous city in the US state of Texas, 4th most populous city in the United States, most populous city in the southern United States, as well as the 6th most populous in North America. Located in southeast Texas near Galveston Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. It is the seat of Harris County and the principal city of the Greater Houston metropolitan area. Parts of Houston are sinking at the rate of 2 inches per year due to excessive groundwater pumping. The more Houston sinks, the more vulnerable it becomes to increasingly frequent disasters, such as Hurricane Harvey, which damaged nearly 135,000 homes and displaced around 1,000 people. That's sad, really sad. Now, the second position is taken by Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is the most populous city in Nigeria and the African continent. Lagos is a major financial center for all of Africa and is the economy hub of Lagos state. The megacity has the fourth highest GDP in Africa and houses one of the largest and busiest seaports on the continent. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the world. Lagos' low coastline continues to erode and rising seas caused by global warming put Africa's largest city in danger of flooding. A 2012 study from the University of Plymouth found that a sea level rise of 3 to 9 feet would have a catastrophic effect on the human activities in these regions. Global sea levels are expected to rise 6.6 feet by the end of this century. Number 1 in our list is one of a beautiful city, that is Jakarta, Indonesia. As you all know, Jakarta is the capital and largest city of Indonesia. On the northwest coast of the world's most populous island of Java, it is the center of economy, culture and politics of Indonesia with a population of more than 10 million as of 2014. Jakarta is sinking up to 6.7 inches per year due to excessive groundwater pumping. Much of the city could be underwater by 2050. This is primarily due to the fact that the city is sinking, adding to the quickening rate of the rising sea. The Indonesian government recently approved a plan to move the capital 100 miles away from its current location on the island of Java in order to protect its 10 million residents from more flooding.